Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be having a look at the Swanscout 710A. So this is an iPhone dual wireless charger and also it charges your Apple Watch as well. So let's get into this review and find out my thoughts on this product. I've been using it for the past couple of months and Swanscout kindly sent me this unit to try out. So let's get into this review and find out what my thoughts are and whether you should buy this product or not. So as I mentioned, Swanscout have kindly sent me this product. Let me introduce the company a bit. They make lots of different chargers for different phones. I've got two products of theirs in the studio at the moment. I've got the Swanscout 710A for iPhone and I've got the one for Samsung as well. So we're doing the iPhone one today. So the unique selling point on this product is that it has a dual wireless charging pad. So this is actually pretty useful. So I'm not using iPhone at the moment, but when I used iPhone about 6 months ago, I have actually got a work iPhone and a personal iPhone. And a lot of people may have this problem, and an Apple Watch and AirPods, and charging them all at the same time is pretty tedious and pretty hard work, because if you want to charge them wirelessly, it's very hard to find a wireless charger with two pads on like this. So I have been looking for one, and this is finally Swanscout sent me this to try out, which is pretty unique on the market, I think. And also on the back of it, you have the Apple Watch charger here, which just flicks out here. So there you go. So you've got Apple Watch on the back, which charges at 5 watts, and then you've got two wireless charging pads on here, which charge at 15 watts. Can charge up to 15 watts, but charge at 10 watts with dual phones on max. So the total output on this product is 30 watts with a 30 watt. So it needs a 30 watt USB-C charger brick plugged into the wall, and that gives you the full 30 watt output for two phones and the Apple Watch. So it won't charge your AirPods at the same time as two phones, but the pad here will actually work with the wireless charging on the AirPods or any other wireless headphones you've got that may have a wireless charging capability on the back. So you just literally pop the phone there or your AirPods there and it will start charging. Another interesting feature about this product is that it also has a built-in clock. So this may seem, I like this, it's kind of retro, I think, having a built-in sort of clock on the side. And you can turn it off, you can turn it on and off with that, turn it back on and brightness, and turn it off if you don't like it next to your bed. Because a lot of people will be using this next to their bed to charge that, and it may not be great having a light in your eye all night, so you can just turn it off or turn it on as you need to and set the time. And it seems to have got a battery in it, so it will hold the charge on the clock when you're traveling, which is quite useful because you have to reset it every time. So the USB-C port is on the side here, and you've got a few controls here. So you've got the brightness for the clock and everything like that, and the on and off button as well for the clock. So it's just very well designed, and it works really well for traveling. So it just really folds up like that, and it's pretty slim actually. It's quite wide, but actually for the size of the unit and the fact you've got a dual charging pad on it, it's actually pretty slim for product. And also the Apple Watch charger folds way at the back, so you're not going to knock it off or damage it when you're traveling. So I think overall it's very well designed and very unique on the market. And also I like the fact that the pads kind of stick out on the charger, because I know a lot of people with thick cases or funny design cases struggle to get the wireless charging to work. So just check on Swanscout's website if you've got a particularly unique case that it will work. It tells you on there what cases will work and what cases won't. I've used a few cases on this, quite thick ones. I've not had a problem with it, but just check. So the pads enable you to it sort of pushes the phone up a bit, so you're not going to, some phones slip off, some don't. So it just gives that, it's got dual coils in it as well, each one, so you've got more chance of being able to charge it at the full speed without having to worry about it, even if you've got a relatively thick case. I had no problems with it whatsoever. It doesn't get too hot in operation. It's got a cooling cooling ring on the back of it if it does get warm, but I didn't have any problems with it at all. So overall, I've been very impressed with this Swanscout product. It kind of does exactly what it says on the tin. So compatibility wise, you're looking at all iPhones, and it will charge. So it'll charge any, I say iPhones, but it's for iPhones. Obviously, you've got the Apple Watch charger on the back, but it will charge any brand phone with a wireless charging coil essentially on the back of it. So if you've got an iPhone and say a Google Pixel, or you've got an iPhone and a Samsung, it will also charge it as well. So it's not just for iPhone, but it is particularly aimed at iPhone users, obviously with the Apple Watch charger on the back, and that can't be changed. It's just for Apple Watch. It will charge the Apple Watch Ultra, Apple Watch Ultra 2, Apple Watch Series 10, 9, 10, all the way down to the Series SE, the original one. Just to bear in mind that, so actually the one thing that's good about it is it's 5 watts, the Apple Watch charge, so it's the fastest charging speed on Apple Watch, not 3.5 watts. So the older generation watches will charge at 3.5 watts, the newer generations will charge at 5 watts. So the new Apple Watch Ultra, for example, will charge it quickly, which I know some chargers don't do, so that's quite nice to have that. So you've got 10 watts on each phone and then 5 watts max on the Apple Watch charger. So it's just useful that you can charge your 2 phones at the same time and your watch. If you've got a work phone, a personal phone, it will charge everything up. It's available in black and white. I'll put the links down below to Swanscout's website and their and Amazon links as well, so you can find them. I think overall, I've been very impressed with this Swanscout charger. It does exactly what it says on the tin, and it's functioned perfectly in the whole time I've had it. It never let me down, so I use it regularly in the studio. So if you're after a dual charger, 2 wireless charging pads on it, and also the Apple Watch charger, then do check out Swanscout's website and drop me a comment down below if you've got any questions about the product or anything else. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the review. I hope it's been helpful if you're looking for a wireless charger. I particularly found it useful being sent this by Swanscout, so thank you very much, and thank you for watching, and please appreciate a thumbs up, guys, and subscribe if you'd like the video. Let me know if you haven't, or let me know if you have. So thank you, and I'll speak to you next time.